Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get pumpkin tokens in Monopoly Go. Let's dive into the video. First, open the Monopoly Go game and log into your account. You'll notice the creative accounting token. To reap the rewards of this token, you need to play and earn points. Now you can see that I've completed the task and I've earned the reward. Moving on to the next reward, which includes a 2.77 million cash prize. I'll play the game, and as you can see, I've earned 35 points, completed the task, and won the 2.77 million cash prize. So, if you want to get pumpkin tokens in Monopoly Go, you need to actively play the game and earn these tokens. I hope you enjoy this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.